for that, I'm going to take over there a bulb. So I will search a bulb over here. So we will drag it and place it there. So series means that one after the other. So I'm taking over there three bulbs. Now next I will drag over there a battery. So for that I have to search a battery. Then terminal 2 I can connect with terminal 1. First of all I am placing the bulbs. Now terminal 1 with terminal 2. Then terminal 2 with terminal 1. So it's a series. So the corner nodes left. So terminal 1 I am connecting with the positive side of a battery. Same way terminal 2 I am connecting with the negative side of a battery. Then I will adjust the wires. Now I will click on start simulation so that I can see the result. So bulbs are glowing properly. Same way, let's test it out with the LEDs. So I'm dragging over there 3 LEDs for checking a series parallel connection for checking a series connection, that how the series connection going to be show a circuit. Then in this we needed one resistor, because in the LEDs we needed a resistor. So same way anode I can connect with cathode and anode I can connect with the cathode. So it's a series connection. Now the N terminals, if I'm having anode, so I will connect first of all resistors. So for that I am rotating my resistor properly. Now I am placing my resistor to the positive end of a battery. Now anode I have to connect anode with the positive and cathode with the negative. So cathode I have done negative, changing a wire as black so that I will not get confused in this. Then anode with positive side. Same way we can change a wire color, that is red. Let's see is it working or not. Yeah, so it's working fine. So suppose I am removing the resistor. Then I am connecting with anode with the positive side of battery. Now it's going to burst my all the LEDs. That means we needed a resistor so that current flow going to be a proper. Okay, that's great. So it's working fine. So let's see over there a parallel connection. So parallel means one after the other, like one stair after the other stair. So I am taking the bulb now. Let's see how bulb going to work. So I have zoomed out now, adjusting the bulb one after the other. Now terminal 1 going to connect with terminal 1. So in this terminals are going to connect with their own terminals. We can't connect with any other terminal. That means parallel. So same way terminal 2 with terminal 2. Now we will drag a battery. So for that we have to search a battery. So one end I am connecting with the positive side of battery. Other end I am going to connecting with negative side of a battery. Hooray, it's working fine. Let's see our LEDs now. Let's change the colors of the LED and see how it's going to show. So we needed one resistor, because if we don't connect resistor it will not work. So cathode with cathode, anode with anode. Let's take a black wire to connecting with cathode. Now we have to click on start simulation. Oh, the wire is lagging. Oh, it's disturbing. So we have to connect it properly. Now we have to rename the project that will be series and parallel connection. That's all about it.